What's up YouTube? Gear with Amir here, and welcome to another episode of Gear with Amir. I have made it to San Jose, California. I know I've mentioned it in a couple of my videos that I was driving across country from Atlanta, 33 hours all the way to San Jose, California. I've made it, I'm here, and as you can see, I have my new office and studio all set up and ready to go. So thanks for tuning in. And we got another exciting episode where I'm gonna review some cool new products that I've recently bought. And today is a special episode because we are talking about something that involves my second favorite person in the world after my wife, my dog. So today we are talking about the Petcube Play. So this is, it's a neat little Wi-Fi camera that allows me to see my dog, interact with my dog, do a lot of cool things, even when I'm not in the house. So now that I've gone from living in a house to a condo, I want to be able to keep tabs on her and make sure that she's safe, that she's entertained, that she's good to go. And I've never shown my dog on camera before, but for the first time introducing young Zelda, or Zelda Von Duchess, as I like to call her. Zelda. Okay. Come say hi to you two. Come. And here she is, my sweet baby. This is Zelda, the one that I got the camera for. So say hi to YouTube, Zelda. They're right there. You can go back and show your bone. Thank you, sweet baby. So the Petcube Play. So I got this because I wanted a Wi-Fi camera that I could use to watch her, to make sure she's doing okay. I know there are a lot on the market. The main reason I went with this one is because it has a laser pointer in it. So I can actually pull up my app on my iPhone and I can actually point the laser anywhere in the room. So keep her entertained, get her moving around. I really like that feature about it. Some of the other cool stuff that it does is it's, of course, it's 1080p. It also has two-way audio. So not only can I talk to her, but if she were to bark or respond in some type of way, she can talk back to me as well. So it has night vision if I go out for some reason. It also will send me alerts based on motion, as well as it has an autoplay mode for the laser. So not only can I log in and I can actually point the laser where I want it to go, but I can set it up so that it automatically plays the laser at certain times of the day. So really excited about this. So let's bust it open and see what's in there. So really nice packaging. It's a really nice box, and then you just kind of pull it open from sides. That's what it seemed like. There we go. It's starting to come off. Almost there. Almost. It's actually really hard to pull off for some reason. So I got the top off. We'll place right there. And then as you can see, like I said, it really is good packaging. I really do enjoy it. Seems like it's gonna be a sturdy product, but it looks like it's got some tape on there. So you know what that means? We have to get the Gear with Amir Tiny Sword. Be right back. So I'm back with the Gear with Amir Tiny Sword. That's how we do it at Gear with Amir. We don't use a knife, we use a tiny sword. So let's bust it open. This package rolling. So we'll go ahead and just chop the sides off right here. I'll keep it simple just in case I want to return this for any reason. Just in case, you know, you never know. Keep the packaging nice in case you gotta send it back. So we got the packaging right here. I should be able to, oh no, gotta cut both sides. Be able to open this, put that there, and boom. There it is. So the Petcube Play, pretty sturdy. It's decent size, just about as big as I thought it would be. As you can see right there, so that's where the laser would be. We got the camera on top. Even got a little warning on the back to be careful with the laser. But it's honestly pretty light. It is rubberized on the bottom, so you can see that right there. It's a little rubberized section right here that should, you know, hold it against the surface, I guess, if it was someone tripped over it or if it was nudged or sniffed by my dog. It also has this screw point on the bottom right here. So I should be able to, I can even screw that into a tripod if I wanted to. I bet I could use it on my Manfrotto. So let's actually try that. All right, I'm back and I got my Manfrotto mini tripod. So I currently have the holder for my iPhone on here, so we'll pop that off. And I bet this will actually fit right on it. And it does. That's perfect. So many uses for this Manfrotto Mini, so now I can just prop it up as such, and then I can point the camera wherever I need it to be. So, pretty cool feature. Well, it's not a feature, I guess, but cool functionality. I'm glad that I'll be able to use it as such, and I can set up the tripod accordingly so that I can point it wherever I need to, and then if I'm filming with it, I can just take it off and set it down. So, that's pretty cool. So we'll set that there, and you can see my post-it note. I use that so that it's centered on the camera. I just thought it was a nifty little idea to use. So we'll see what else is in the box from that standpoint. So it looks like we can pull this packaging off, put that over there, pull that out, put that over there. Let's see, what else do we have in here? All right. So it looks like we have USB to USB-C. That's cool. USB-C charging cable, books, instruction manual, reset pin. That's pretty nifty. Looks like we have some stickers as well. So we'll find somewhere to put that. And then the plug, I think, is the last thing in here. So we have the plug here. So this looks like it just pops on as such. So we just pop that on like that. And then we'll plug the USB in there and then plug it into the camera. So yeah, I'm really excited to get this set up. So that's the unboxing, just because I just opened it. I don't really know how it works yet. So I'll do another video soon of exactly how it works, set up, as well as my review of the Petcube Play. So again, thanks for tuning in. If you liked the video, go ahead and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. You'll see that subscribe link right there. But have a great day. That's Gear with Amir. Peace.